How to turn off open to work in LinkedIn. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off open to work on LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Click the search bar and type in linkedin.com. Press enter on your keyboard and then you will land on the home page of LinkedIn once you have signed into your account. Now, in order to turn off Open to Work, click the Me button at top right corner of the screen and go to View Profile button. As you can see, Open to Work banner has already been here on my profile picture. In order to turn off that, click on your profile picture at first. Now, click the Frames option and here choose to Original. Click the Apply button and a menu box appears asking you that you want to remove the existing frame. So let's click on remove open to work from profile and then click the save button. Once you do that, your open to work will be turned off in LinkedIn. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.